Kat, and welcome to another episode of Car Care TV. In this episode, we'll be learning about headlight restoration. I've had this car for 10 years now, and my headlights are so foggy. What can I do to not replace them?
Absolutely, I'm really glad you brought it in today. We can actually recondition your headlights to brand new condition.
And what does it take to do that?
It takes about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the size of your headlights.
How long does that last?
We guarantee it up to 6 months, but it typically lasts up to a year.
Awesome, let's do it. Wow, my headlights look brand new. For more information on car care services, visit russellfisher.com. This is Kat, and thanks for tuning in to Car Care TV.